Gaza, all soldier. Before this under, can't style me, gonna bust my dog. You're no bad like me, believe me, dog. I don't joking thing, believe me, dog. Never snitch.
Yeah, big man thing. And the one done. I mean I say yo, so my final video for the day. Yeah. But me I say yo, hear me I say. I mean I tell you, who know out there, don't trust not name friends, don't trust not name family, don't trust no man who are pray you, don't trust no girl who are pray you, don't trust not even your church brethren Rasta, not even your church sister and brother, don't trust them because them can lead you in your death. That's what me I say, just work out for your spirit and work out for the senses them God give you. That's what me I say, because the only for wickedness are going. That's what me I say. Don't get mixed up and caught up in a certain thing. That's what me I say. Yeah, don't trust nobody in your community. Trust yourself and trust God. You see me? Not you all them say them good to you, don't trust them. Not trust no family, not trust no sort of relative because of them our kids because the Bible says they don't trust everyone. So you hear me I say. People will diss you and you forgive them and love them. But them still a pray you. Because in my place when me live, there's someone come and pray, me see them and me not do them nothing. I never violate a man from their other stone, you know. So even the person who advise with me say that person is saying me out. Me don't know what truth it is. But me don't really want to make no mystery, you know. Me hear say the person never good for man. You see what I say? But at them he advise, so me never follow the argument until the proof say that's true. You see what I say? Because me hear say when me go say nothing about my head, me hear a certain man, he call a certain man and tell them. So you see, you can't trust no man. Me don't never trust still. Me never same thing. You see me? Because I call me get on here. But I don't know if I true. But anyway, what me I say, not trust nobody at all. That's what me I say. Just trust God and yourself. I know you are more power because you're not going to nothing to your man kill and destroy what you have. You see me I say? So me want to tell you. Just trust God and work out for the 5 senses them God give you. Not trust no man, not trust no girl, not trust no family, not trust no sort of relative, not trust no brother, not trust sister. That's what me I say. Not trust no sister in your family, not trust no friend. You have to be a church brethren, their sister, you don't trust them. Not cure all them name and drink, you don't trust them, they will dry you down. Not trust no pastor. You see me I say, up to the time. Me not say perfect. But no you are the youth. No one are the other. You see me I say, all the public kings are going to Jamaica. So, no one are the and just trust God. That's what me I say.
Never snitch, never be a snitch. Never snitch, never be a snitch. And if you're poor, not be rich. Never snitch, never be a snitch. Never snitch, never be a snitch. Never snitch, never be a